Let me show you something crazy.
These images look like they came from a $15,000 beauty brand photo shoot. Full campaign visuals, makeup ads, skincare editorials, hair care branding.
But here's the truth. None of these were taken in a studio. There was no photographer, no lighting equipment, and no production team involved.
Every single one of these was created using AI from just one product photo.
And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this step by step so you can create professional beauty brand content for hair care brands, skincare brands, makeup brands, or even your own e-commerce store. Let me quickly show you the campaign visuals I created for Garnier.
You've got a tropical campaign, a lifestyle summer scene, a creative concept visual, and a high-end beauty ad look. And if I showed you this on Instagram, you'd probably assume this came from a real brand campaign. That's how powerful this is.
Now hold up and imagine this. You open Instagram and your brand feed looks like this.
Makeup visuals that feel editorial, skincare that feels like a luxury spa, and hair care that feels like a full campaign.
That's the difference between a product and a brand people actually trust and want to buy from. So let's break down how to actually create visuals like this. Before we jump into the AI tools, there's one thing that completely changed how I think about branding.
You need to understand how big brands think.
Let's take a beauty brand as an example. Think like a beauty brand's creative director and focus on building a visual story around the product.
Because big brands don't just show products, they build a world around them. Skincare becomes self-care, makeup becomes confidence, and hair care becomes lifestyle. So before we even touch AI, ask yourself, what feeling do I want this product to represent? Because that feeling becomes your visual direction.
And don't worry if that feels hard, because in a few, I'll show you how to generate endless campaign ideas automatically. Now let's slow this part down, because this is where most people overcomplicate things, when it's actually very simple. You only need one product photo to create everything you've seen in this video. Not 10, not a full photo shoot, just one.
And this is important because a lot of people think my product photo isn't professional enough. I need better lighting. I need a clean studio shot. You really don't. As long as your product is clear and visible, AI can do the rest.
Before we go into the prompts and examples, I want to quickly clarify a few things so this makes sense. And once you understand this part, everything else becomes a lot easier.
Ideally, you want the product clearly visible, the label readable, and a simple background, not too busy. But even if it's not perfect, it still works because we're not relying on the background. We're using the AI to rebuild the entire scene around the product. When you upload your product into a tool like Nano Banana Pro or Nano Banana 2, the AI uses that image as a reference object. Think of it like this. You're giving the AI your product and saying, take this exact item and place it into different creative worlds. That's the shift. You're not generating random products. You're generating scenes around your real product. Now, this part is crucial. Every time you write your prompt, you need to include a product preservation rule. Something like, use the exact product from the reference image. Do not change the packaging, label, or shape. This one line is what separates random AI images from realistic brand visuals. Without this, the AI might change the label, alter the packaging, or generate something completely different. But with this rule, it keeps your product consistent across every image, which makes your brand look real and trustworthy. This is where you start to realize something. You're no longer limited by photo shoots, locations, lighting, or props, because now your product can exist in a spa, a beach, a luxury bathroom, and even a creative campaign set, all from the same single image. That's the foundation of everything we're doing.
And now that we have the product locked in, this next step is where your visuals go from looking nice to looking like an actual beauty campaign. When it comes to creating campaign visuals, there's a small shift you need to make.
Most people using AI will type something like, product on a table, nice lighting. And yes, that works, but it doesn't create branding. It just creates another product image. What we want is something completely different. We want campaign visuals, images that feel like they belong in a beauty ad, a website homepage, a brand launch, or even an Instagram campaign. Every strong image you create should follow this structure. Product plus environment plus mood plus story. Let me break that down in a simple way. Instead of saying hair product on table, you say hair product in a tropical setting, bright sunlight, surrounded by pineapple slices, summer lifestyle mood.
Now you're giving the AI context, emotion, and direction. That's what creates high-end visuals. Let's break this down by category so you really understand.
With skincare, the goal is always clean, natural, glowing, and calm. So your visuals should match that. Example 1, botanical campaign. Instead of just placing the product on a table, you place it inside a natural environment, surrounded by plants, leaves, or the product's ingredients. Now the product feels organic, fresh, and ingredient focused. And when you add a model with glowing skin, it completes the story. Example 2, spa concept. Now we shift to a spa environment. Soft towels, candles, and steam in the air. This instantly communicates luxury, relaxation, and self-care. Example 3, flat lay. Now we go minimal. Top-down view, clean layout, and ingredients arranged around the product. This looks like a magazine ad, Pinterest content, and brand campaign visuals.
Now watch how everything changes when we switch to makeup. Makeup is not calm. It is bold, expressive, and dramatic. So your visuals should feel stronger.
Example 1, glow campaign. You place the product in a glowing gold environment, light reflecting everywhere. Now the product feels luxury, high-end, and radiant. Example 2, pigment concept. Now you add powders, brushes, textures. Suddenly it feels artistic, creative, and editorial. Example 3, impact visual lipstick with pigment bursting in the air and model wearing the same shade. Now this is no longer a product image, it's a statement visual.
And now let's bring it back to what we started with, hair care. Hair care is about movement, health, and lifestyle. So your visuals should feel alive, bright, and real.
Because this Garnier product is pineapple-based, we leaned into tropical environments, summer energy, and fruit textures. This connects the product to hydration freshness and vibrance.
Imagine combining all of this. You're not just creating images, and you're building a full beauty brand. And when someone lands on your page, it feels like a real brand.
Now, take everything into Canva. Add simple text like, glow starts here. Feed your hair something good. Your skin, but better. Keep it minimal because strong visuals don't need a lot of text.
What used to take a team, a studio, and a big budget can now be done by one person with AI. And that's why this is so powerful. You're watching this and thinking, I actually want to do this properly. I didn't just put together random prompts. Inside my prompt vault, I created something much more powerful. There's a master prompt system that lets you generate unlimited campaign ideas, visuals, and concepts for your own brand. So whether you're working on hair care, skincare, or makeup, you're not stuck copying prompts. You can create your own endless high-quality brand visuals on demand. It's linked below if you want to check it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment. I'll be answering all your questions too, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.